Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be making a banging porridge recipe, right? So I'm using some almond milk, I got some green bananas, I got some peanut punch, I got some oats, I got some cornmeal right there, a little bit of sugar, some nutmeg, cinnamon, I got some almond extract, I also got some vanilla. Alright, and I got some sea moss. Guys, this porridge, you won't need to eat anything. You could just literally drink a bowl of this and you'll be good. Alright, especially if you hit the gym, if you're working out, if you're active, play other sports. Like right now I'm doing some soccer and I'm in the gym like crazy these days. So walk you through this one, guys. Alright, so we got the banana. We got some bananas, the oats and the cornmeal in here. We got our peanut punch and our almond milk. We got our sugar and our sea moss. Vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon and almond extract right there. Now we're gonna blend these with these. All right, let's go. All right, now let's go ahead and get everything in our blender. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add our sea moss also. Almond milk. A little peanut punch. Make sure you get all of it. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and cover that. And we're going to give it a nice blend. Alright guys, that's what you're looking for, guys. So it's all blend out. Banana and the oatmeal. It's fully blend out. That's what you need. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come over here. I'm going to add the 2 cups of water to this hot pan and let it bring it to a boil. Alright guys, now that your water is at a boil, you're going to put your heat down low. Alright, and then you're going to go and add your mixture. Oh yeah. Make sure you get all of it. Alright. This is not going to come out because it's kind of wet, but it's the nutmeg and the cinnamon and the vanilla and the almond extract. I'll take it out off camera. All right guys, here we are. I did that because I'm recording and doing it by myself, so bear with me. Then I got the sugar. I'm gonna put it in there, and this is probably gonna need some more sugar, but for now that's all I'm doing. Then I start stirring. I'm just gonna keep stirring this consistently. It's steady, not too crazy. I'm just gonna go a nice space until we start simmering. When we start seeing the bubbles coming up in the corner, that's when you know you're almost there, or you're getting there. We're not going to cover this or anything, guys. We're just going to allow it to cook, allow it to get to at least 175 for around 5 minutes, and it will be ready. So this mixture is peanut, bananas, oat, cornmeal, sea moss. I'll be back when we're almost there, guys. Alright guys, see? Now we're just starting to develop a consistency that we're looking for. Nice and thick. Alright, let's just keep going a little bit more and then we will be ready, guys. In less than 2 minutes we'll be ready. Make sure your fire is on low heat. You don't want this to stop burning at the bottom. So make sure you're using a rubber, plastic, or wooden spatula so you don't damage your cookware. Alright. You see we're almost there, guys. Just keep stirring. Real healthy stuff, guys. Alright guys. So now we're ready. Alright, I just tried this and it turned out better than I thought, guys. I see my porridge, so we're gonna go ahead and share this and enjoy. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and pour old school. I'm just gonna pour it straight from the pot into my bowl. All right, and that's it, guys. Nice, beautiful porridge, guys.